No, wait. Oh! Oh! You missed!
I wanted to. Aiden, you want to wrestle?
No. I'm the coach. 3, 2, 1, begin! Oh, crap.
We'll go.
Gary, give him the first shot. My first shot, and then you go. Don't try to block it. These are the rules, Alex.
Go.
Coaches. Step out. Step it out.
3, 2, 1, knockout!
No, I'm the coach.
We got a winner. We have a winner. We have a winner.
Okay, this is the second round. It's not a winner now.
Whoops.
Oh, come on.
Okay, we got a man down. You gotta tap out. Tap out. You have to tap